Today we're going to be installing the Klockwerks windshield on a 2022 Harley Davidson Pan America. We're going to be starting by removing the 4 screws that hold the stock windshield on. Uses a T25 Torx bit. And be sure not to lose the little rubber spacers. Or drop them like I just did. And that windshield plus the mounting bracket behind it comes off, and we'll set them aside for now. And find that other screw. I'll put those in my pocket. So I have the new windshield here, along with the directions. It's wrapped in plastic. We'll put the old windshield in that plastic. Has a screw package. You don't reuse your stock screws. There are screws that come with it. And the package is pretty good. Comes with a little hardware kit. Four screws, 4 washers, and it comes with an instruction sheet. Alright, so the new windshield has some plastic grommets in it. It's got these 4 plastic grommets in there, protective coating. We'll put that little bracket back in there. And that sits right in there, and start putting the screws in. Find my screwdriver. And we'll get them all started before we tighten any of them up. Okay. And pull the protective film off. And that's pretty much all there is to do. I'm probably going to pull the screws back out one at a time and put a little bit of Loctite on them just so they don't vibrate loose. But overall, I think that looks pretty good there. Improves the appearance of the bike, and hopefully it will function. After I put a little Loctite on the screws and completed the installation, I reread through the instructions, and in the fine print at the bottom says don't use Loctite because it could get on the polycarbonate and degrade it and cause it to crack. I was pretty careful just to put a little dab right on the end of the screws, and I don't think I got any on the polycarbonate, so let's hope for the best. We'll see how it goes. I'll get a chance to ride it if winter ever ends here in North Dakota. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and the notification bell for any upcoming videos.